Okay, so this is wild, and I've had a lot of questions about this. Power plant induced snow. Wait a minute, what power plants can cause snow? The answer is yes, specifically coal-fired power plants. Now, we had this in Wisconsin, Portage, Wisconsin, to be specific, a coal power plant. Let me show you what this looked like on radar because this was wild. So, power plant turns on and it emits something called fly ash. That goes up into the sky, and if conditions are just right, and they really have to be just right here for this to happen, where typically we have a low stratus cloud deck in place, and often we'll have what's called supercooled water in the clouds. So let me explain what that is. Supercooled water is where you can have water droplets, literally liquid water, in temperatures that are below freezing. And then what happens as that fly ash interacts with those water particles, it becomes a nucleus to cause it to turn to ice. So in other words, the fly ash is causing that supercooled water to turn to ice. Now, you can also have cases where that fly ash actually helps to create that supercooled water and ice as well. But either way, you're talking about the fly ash as being the cause of the creation of ice. And once that ice is created, then you get the snow, and then it blows down wind. As you can see on this radar image, it goes from north of Madison, which is where the Portage power plant is, going all the way down to just about the Wisconsin-Illinois state line. And then once the power plant turns off, guess what? The snow goes away. So it can happen. No, it doesn't happen all the time, but it certainly can happen when conditions are just right. And again, that's because of what's being emitted from the coal-fired power plant into an atmosphere where the conditions are just right for that power plant-induced snow.